happy holidays to everybody. Guess what I'm going to do? Contest for everybody? No. Did that last year. Got little chests still laying around because people didn't want their prizes. So guess what? It's all about the clients liking, sharing, and talking about my business is what helps it keep going in this town. I don't buy billboards. I don't do radio ads. I don't do any of that. I don't talk at car shows. I don't do any of that stuff. All I do is great work, take care of my clients, and hope word of mouth spreads. That's just kind of how I am. It's that introvert in me. But I'm giving back to those who like, share, and talk about my business. There are 3 people that come to mind. The first person is the Thibodeau family. Miss Tina and Kelvin. I, drum roll, am giving you guys the next annual inspection for free. Y'all share and like and let me leave flyers at your business. I freaking truly appreciate it. Next person that basically spreads this on social media all the time is Mr. Frank Nixon. Mr. Frank Nixon, you are in Houma and you're constantly telling people about my business. I love that to death. Frank, drum roll please. Your next annual inspection is free as well. And the last person, Alitha Wiltz. You, my darling, you share, you like, you do so much. Just like Frank and just like Tina and Kelvin, helping spread the word of my business to Katiana when I failed to not do anything outside my shop besides these videos. You get $300 off your next ceramic coating job, girl. These 3 families, getting incentives, I know they will use them. I know it will not go to waste. And I love you guys, and I appreciate everything that you all continue to do. For the rest of those that follow my page, like, share, and just tell people I do great work. And I will love you for it the same. Thank you. Happy holidays, and may 2020 be great for all of us.